morning, good afternoon, all of you. Now, we will discuss about the properties of theory of oxidation, CVD, MOS, diffusion of kinetics. As we know, I am Rashyan Khandelwal, assistant professor in electronics and communication. Basically, subject is VLSI technology. These topics introduced in it. Now, first of all, we will discuss about the oxidation theory and properties. Now, what do you mean by oxidation theory and properties, and basic terms and requirements? What is the process, types? These all are included in these terms. Now, in the oxidation theory and properties, we will discuss about the process types. Now, second one, details of thermal oxidation. Another one we will discuss about the modules. Now, relevant issues. Now, first of all, we will discuss about the uses of these topics in the oxidation theory as well as the properties. Basically, we will use as a part of structure, like that. In the structure theory, structure term, modulated and part of any oxidation properties we will introduce in it. Now, gate oxidation, it is a more important subtopic in it. Now, another way we will discuss about the hard mask. This is a soft material introduced in it. Now, nitride etching implement mask, these all are included in it. After this, protecting the silicon surface for the oxidation theory term, including the silicon material as well as protect the whole silicon material surface is basically used in it. Now, insulator is introduced also as ILD, IMD. After this, a part of mild etching, like that oxidation removal cycles. Now, we will discuss about the at steady state. In the steady state equation, basically based on these terms. Now, diffusion through oxide, reaction rate at the SI, mean to say silicon, as well as silicon oxide SiO2. This is an interface term. After this, oxygen diffuses faster than water, mean to say oxygen diffused faster than the water volume, as well as, however, water solubility is very high, mean to say solubility of water is too much high, mean to say 1000 times. Now, effectively water concentration at the interface is high. Water concentration interface is also too much high. Now, issues, basically what issues introduced in it. Now, Na, mean to say sodium, diffuse fast in oxide, mean to say sodium is used as a faster diffusion element in the oxide term. Use the Cl during oxidation. Now, helps trap Na, mean to say trapped to Na. It's also very helping for in it. Helps center create volatile compounds of heavy metals, mean to say the bulky and heavy metals we will use the compound material. Now, use of 3% HCl trichloroethylene TCE, mean to say 3% ratio of TCE used. After this, we will discuss about the CVD as well as the MOS. Now, in the CVD is known by the chemical vapor deposition, which is used in the chemical process as well as used to produce high purity, high performance and solid material. Like this, it is used for the high performance and solid material value. Now, in a typical CVD process, the substrate is exposed to one or more volatile precious which react and decompose on the substrate, like that surface to produce the desired deposit volume, mean to say during this process volatile by products are also produced, mean to say number of products is also introduced in it and also produced in this term, now which are removed by gas flow through the reaction chamber. After this, we will discuss about the steps involved in chemical vapor deposition, mean to say number of steps is also included in the chemical vapor deposition, mean to say CVD. Now first of all, we are going on the transport of reactants by forced convection to the deposition region. This is a basic term and required first term in this CVD steps. Now we will further proceed in the transport of reactants by diffusion from the main gas stream to the substrate surface. After this, we will discuss about the absorption of reactant in the vapor substrate surface. Now we will discuss about the chemical decomposition and other surface reaction take place, mean to say number of chemical decomposition and other surface volume reaction, particular specific area in specific place in the reactive elements and reactive equations. Now further proceed in the desorption of byproducts from the surface, mean to say number of product desorptions by the surface. Now transport by product by diffusion, mean to say transportation of product by the diffusion term. Now transport by products by forced convection away from the deposition region. Deposition region is also introduced before 4 to 5 slides, so we will familiar about this term and we will known about in it. After this, we will discuss about the types of CVD. What do you mean by types of CVD? CVD is basically chemical vapor deposition, mean to say CVD are classified into two types of the basic operating pressure, like that atmospheric CVD, another one low pressure CVD. Mean to say atmospheric pressure CVD is also a physical term utilization CVD process, which is highly used in daily routine life as well as a physical life, communication life. Is chemical reactions equation as well as chemical labs. These are the most important term in it. Now we will discuss about the low pressure CVD, mean to say pressure volume is very low about in the CVD process as well as the CVD processor. Now plasma enhanced CVD, another one photochemical vapor deposition, another one thermal CVD. Now we will discuss about the atmospheric pressure chemical vapor deposition, mean to say atmospheric pressure CVD. Now in the atmospheric pressure we will discuss about the two cases. First of all, case 1 is high temperature. Now another one, case 2 is considered in the low temperature. What do you mean and describe in the low temperature as well as high temperature? In the case 1, this process is used to deposit silicon and compound films or hard metrological coating like titanium carbide as well as the titanium carbide, combination of two chemical materials, chemical elements, as well as included the deposit silicon and compound film. Fine. Now we will discuss about the case 2 is included in the low temperature. Many insulting film layers such as silicon dioxide need to be deposited at low temperature for effective deposition. Mean to say in the low temperature case 2, number of insulating film layers such as silicon dioxide needed to deposit at a low temperature. This is the main description of this. After this, we will discuss about the advantages of chemical vapor deposition. Mean to say basically what we use and what is the basic advantage about in the chemical vapor deposition is a variable shaped surfaces. given reasonable access to the coating powder or gases. Mean to say coated the powders as well as the gases such as screw threads, blind holes or channels or recesses can be coated evenly without build up on edges. Mean to say each edge can be coated evenly without any build up. In the CVD advantages, versatile, any element or compound can be deposited. Mean to say any element as well as compound can be deposited. After this, high purity can be obtained. Mean to say high purity can be obtained in this advantages of CVD. Now high density. In the density term, we will discuss about nearly 100% of theoretical value. Material formation well below the melting point, like that. Economical in production since many parts can be coated at the same time. Now we will discuss about the application of CVD. CVD has an application across a wide range of industries such as coating, like that dense spectral parts, as well as another one we will discuss about the semiconductor and relating devices. First of all, we will discuss about the coatings. Now we will discuss about the coating. Coating for a variety of applications such as wear resistance, corrosion resistance, high temperature protection, as well as protection and combination thereof. Semiconductors and related devices, like that ICs, this is known by the integrated circuit. ICs is introduced by the integrated circuit. Now sensors, optoelectronic devices. After this, we will discuss about the dense spectral part. Mean to say CVD can be used to produce components that are difficult or uneconomical to produce using conventional fabrication techniques, like that. Dense part produced via CVD are generally thin walled and may be deposited onto any formers. Now we will discuss about the CMOS technologies and overuse. Basically, CMOS is known by the complementary symmetry as well as metal oxide semiconductor. This is known by the CMOS. In the CMOS, a major class of integrated circuit CMOS chip include microprocessor, microcontroller, static RAM and other digital logic circuits. The words complementary symmetry mean to say refer to fact the design uses symmetrical pairs of p-type, like that n-type MOSFET transistors for logic functions, only one of which is switched on at any time, like that. This is the figure of CMOS inverter. This is the power supply is introduced by the plus VDD, drain to drain, P MOSFET. This is the P type of MOSFET, and output values considered in that side, and N MOSFET, N type MOSFET, and input values considered in that side. Now we will discuss about the basic MOSFET operation. In the MOSFET operation, first of all, we will take any substrate piece. Consider the source range, gate range as well as the drain range. These all three ports are included in the N type, and substrate type is P type substrate. Now these are the channel range, this is the depletion range. Fine. This is the oxide process, and this is the source side, this is the drain side. This is denoted by the N plus region, and this is the also denoted by the N plus region. Now Vg is greater than Vt, mean to say ID current, drain current is equal to infinity. In that case, no current is on. No cutoff current is on. Vg is less than Vt. In that case, ID is equals to 0, mean to say current drain current is equal to 0, or off current process and operation applied on it. Now applications. In the application, a new high speed CMOS camera to real time tracking application. This is the RTL, mean to say real time tracking level application. There are many potential applications for very high speed vision. Sensors and robotics, maybe tracking is the most obvious one. The main idea of this paper is to combine existing standard technologies like CMOS imaging sensor. The performance of this new camera is on one hand limited by the maximum pixel clock of the sensor, on the other hand by the USB 2.0 microframe timing and bandwidth also constraint. This is the PCB1 ratio, PCB2 ratio as well as the PCB3 ratio. Now conclusion in it, the goal was to study the various material used in VLSI technology. Study relieved that present scaling of the CMOS technology to nano dimensions will have to limit at some point, and make further scaling may be impossible while retaining all the electrical characteristics of devices. Now, what is the diffusion and what is the basic idea about the diffusion kinetics? Any idea about it? Basically, diffusion is the movement of chemical species from an area of high concentration to an area of lower concentration. This is the diffusion. The diffusion process begins with the deposition of a shadow as well as a shallow high concentration of the desired impurity in the surface through windows in the protector barrier layer. Now, diffusion is also introduced in the solute molecules like that moving from an area of high concentration to an area of lower concentration. This is the side of high concentration area as well as this is including the low concentration area, and it is also introduced in the random motion drive diffusion. Movement is based on kinetic energy. Now speed, mean to say basically it is introduced in the speed range as well as the charge and mass of molecules, and equilibrium is reached when there is an even distribution of solute molecules. This is the number of molecules 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the depend on the speed, charge and mass of molecules. Now this is the solid water ratio, low concentration as well as the high concentration. Now we will discuss about the graphical form. In the graphical form, step growth depend on the nanometer per second, like that. This is the ratio of 0 to 40 as well as the 0 to 15, and in the 0 to 40 the every 10 steps difference contain in it, and beta value is considered the 6 into 10 raised to power minus 4 centimeter per second, like that. This is denoted by the arrow. Now we will discuss about the purpose of kinetic module. Develop deeper understanding of diffuse transport through hands-on exercise, mean to say learn how to computational tool can be used to determine concentration profiles during as well as the diffusion. Now demonstrate the technological importance of diffusion through an application to a semiconductor process problem, mean to say the basically demo of any technological importance in the diffusion application to semiconductor processing problem. Now we will discuss about in it important factor which affect the rate of reactions, like that reactant concentration, temperature, action of crystals. Now one more subtopic is included in it, surface area. Surface area is main part because any smooth surface area considered the high rate as well as the not equal surface area considered the low effect rate. Now one more thing we will discuss about in it, pressure of gaseous reactant or products. Now reaction rule. For the reaction in the measuring rate, we will consider about any two reaction like that. A is one reaction name and B is another reaction name, and we will discuss about the two way of measuring rate. Like that the speed we will introduce in the speed at which the reactant disappear, another one the speed at which the products appears. Now we will discuss about the reactions are reversible, mean to say, so as product accumulated they can begin to turn back in the reactants. Now concentration and rate. Each reaction has its own equation that gives its rate as a function of reactant's concentration. This is called the rate law. This is a basically consideration volume of any reactive material and based on the function of reactant concentration. This is called the rate law. Rate law is very important about in this topic. To determine the rate law, we measure the rate of different starting concentration. Now order of reaction. In the reaction term we will discuss number of order like that 0 to 3. In the zero order, we will discuss a reaction is zero order in a reactant if the change is concentration of that reactant produces no effect, no importance, no requirement. Another way we will call say no effect. Now another one we will discuss first order. In the first order, a reaction is first order of doubling the concentration causes the rate of double. Mean to say ratio of rate is double. Now reaction is second order. In the second order reaction, a reaction is second order if doubling the concentration causes a quadruple increase in rate. Now we will discuss about the third order. Doubling concentration lead to 2⁻³ or 8 times the rate. Now thank you.